Don't let your soda cans get baled into scrap. I'm turning this $0 trash into a $200 boutique desktop organizer right now. I rescued these for their high purity aluminum. See this stamp? It's our mark of authenticity for this geometric functional art. Safety is my fortress. Raw aluminum edges are razor sharp, so these heavy-duty gray gloves are a must. Let's start the stripping. Step 1, strip the identity. We're scrubbing away the branding to reveal the raw silver luster hidden beneath the surface. Strange tool alert, I'm using my geometric scorer. This tungsten wheel allows us to master intricate metal folding geometry with zero effort. Precision scoring is the secret. We're creating weak points in the metal molecules to ensure every fold is 100% mathematically perfect. Fold and press. We are transforming industrial fragments into sophisticated geometry. Listen to that crisp aluminum snap. Interlocking geometry. No glue, no solder, just pure friction and precision. This is what boutique craftsmanship looks like. Building the honeycomb. We're creating layers for pens, tools, and business cards. It's the ultimate workspace upgrade. Folding aluminum hardens the metal. By using our scorer, we keep the grain structure intact. Strength meets style. Final buffing. We're bringing out that polished, high-end luster that our guests deserve. Look at that boutique shine. Adding a touch of gold. This warm accent against the silver aluminum creates a luxury color palette that elevates the entire desk. Sign your work. This copper tag proves it's an original handcrafted gift for guest creation. Quality and authorship guaranteed. Safety note, always deburr your cut edges. We want these gifts to be smooth as silk to the touch. Stay safe, stay creative. One old can, one scoring tool, and a total boutique transformation. You literally cannot buy this quality in a store. The geometric organizer is a dream. What's next? These old copper pipes are hiding a designer wine rack. See you there.